Hello, thank you for coming back to Tiffany's Creations. Today we're going to make something for Christmas. Christmas time is here already, and we have a great candle that we're going to make for Christmas, like we did a Halloween one, and remember how nice it turned out? Well, this one's going to turn out nice too. We're going to start off with our Dollar Tree plate. Thank goodness for Dollar Tree and their plates. And we are going to use the pool noodles. And we have these special little tea lights that we purchased. They're battery operated. And these are blue. Look at that. They're so beautiful, right? Okay. And we have, let me turn it back on. And we have a couple little like ornaments that we got from the Dollar Tree. We got some trees and we got some reindeer and just little twiggy type things that we're going to put in, you know, to make it nice. And then we have some glitters over here that we're going to put on it. And we got our spray glue and we got some Epsom salt. And we got the scissors and this. And we got some other little stuff like the trees. We're gonna, you know, work in a little, all right, just decoration type thing. Right.
Let's just
get
the
first
these noodles here.
We're gonna cut the noodles. Look at me. How big?
Let's just cut one.
Yeah.
Use scissors. We'll do like.
It's Christmas, so it's not. Don't have to be that huge like we made for Halloween. This is gonna be nice. Okay, keep going. There's one. You want to do them different sizes, just like we did the other one. You know, taper it. And it's gonna look so pretty when it's done. I can't wait to see it.
And you don't know if it's gonna look pretty.
It's gonna look pretty. You know it is. We're gonna make it look pretty. You can make anything look pretty with Dollar Tree stuff.
Just throw some glitter on there.
Yeah, right? Okay, so we are back, and we decided how we wanted to place them on the tray. We're going to use, how many is there? 5. We're going to use 5 candles. First, we're going to spray them with adhesive. And then, so it's easier to have them already with the glitter on them on the tray. So, she's going to spray them with the glue. And then sprinkle the glitter on the outside, because it's easier to do it when they're not glued to the tray. So that's what we're going to do.
Well, plus it'll be full of, it'll have color on it.
Yeah, and it'll have all that beautiful color on it. So we're going to do that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. And we put the glitter in the glue, and we put some, should we tell them our secret ingredient? Oh, we already did. We put Epsom salt on the outside to give it that nice, chunky, glittery look.
Yeah, but you're far away. They can't even.
Yes, they can.
You need to bring that camera closer.
I'll just take it up there. Can you see the...
Pull it back a little bit.
I think that looks good.
I can't really see.
You can see it glisten. That's the Epsom salt. We mixed the glitter with the Epsom salt after we sprayed these with adhesive and just like rolled it in. And
we use this extra fine glitter.
Yeah.
It does not even have a name on it.
Anyways.
No name.
Any glitter, any
color.
fine glitter will do. Any color, you make it your own.
This came from Michael's.
You do it your own colors. This is what we chose. I like it. It's gonna look so cool when we're done. All right, now we're gonna glue these to the tray.
Just hold on. This ain't ready yet.
It ain't ready yet.
No.
There it goes. So yeah, we're gonna glue these to the tray. And then what we want to do is, so everything don't fall off, even though we did glue it. You know how stuff, when you touch it, sometimes pieces will fall off and everything. What we're going to do to, it's like when you put makeup on and you put that spray on the outside. What's it called?
I am not a makeup person.
Well, I use it. I don't even know what it's called. You spray it. Not primer. Primer's before. After. When you put your makeup on, you have this spray. Well, that's what we're going to use. I went and got our clear spray. We're going to clear spray the outside. And we will come back after we have these glued, and then we're going to do the effect like we did on the Halloween candles. If you didn't see that video, you should watch it. It's really cool how they turned out. They turned out amazing, and so were these. But we're going to glue these to the tray, put the glue around the top to give it that dripping effect. Then we're going to put, the melting effect. Then on the wet hot glue, we're going to sprinkle it with this other glitter that we have. It's like a white glistening glitter. We're going to put that on there, and then we're going to spray it, and we will be back to show you that. Alrighty, we are back, and we're getting ready for the next step. So what we did is we put the glue around the top. The hot glue made it drip, and we used some glitter, this fine glitter here that we used to put on the hot glue to give it that extra white glistening look. Then we sprayed it with the enamel, and that's how we like set it. Now what we're gonna do
glue
is
spray too, Mom.
Oh, and we put glue spray on it as well, just to set it. So now what we're doing, we're in the process of the final stages of the fun part, decorating, and ours is gonna look so cool. I can't wait. So we are going to make a little spot in the front that looks like it's gonna look like snow on the ground, okay? And we're just gonna decorate it up really cute. So we are going to do that.
Oh, and we did cut out for candle.
Oh yes, these pool noodles as well needed to be cut out for the little tea lights to fit in. So cut the tablecloth. So that's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna put these in. So we're going to do our little decorating with our things that we got from Dollar Tree. We have all these little pieces we're going to work in, little trees and stuff, and we'll be right back. Oh, I almost forgot. We have these little miniature things that we got. And what we're using for the snow is I got this sand at the Dollar Tree as well, a bag of white sand. So Tiffany made a stencil. And she's spraying it with the glue to make our little, look at that glue, to make our little snow field, I guess you could call it. And we're going to place our little figurines on it and just figure out little decorating things. So we'll be right back and show you how we get to where we're at. Okay, so the big debut is about to happen, and I hope you're ready. Hold on to your seats, because this is a really nice project that we did. And we did it all with the Dollar Tree stuff. This is my granddaughter, London, and she's here. She helped us finish. So, are you ready? Close your eyes. London, would you do the honors and turn it around? Are you ready? Here it comes. Oh, boy. Look at that centerpiece. Isn't it just gorgeous? Is so really nice. I hope they could see it good. Show them, Tim.
Hold on.
The color?
Yeah, hold on. Let me turn the light down.
Here, I'll hold it. Dim the. Oh, look at it.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let mommy hold it.
Hold on, gotta
You have got to see this in person.
back it up.
Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. We did this, y'all, and we did it for under $10. Isn't it just great? Oh, I hope you try to make yours and you make yours unique and you like it. And please subscribe to our channel so you can see all the cool things that we make.